welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone I bought on eBay. Let's take a look. That's pretty quick packaging right there. So here it is a Metro PCS device. It is a Samsung SCH-R420. Like I said, it is on Metro. It looks to be dead. It's really nasty. It looks like it actually has some water damage. Let's check the indicator. Looks like it's been scraped off, but yeah, the battery's definitely had water damage on it before. Let's see, is there an SD card slot? There isn't, so I don't have to check for an SD card. I'm gonna guess that this one may not turn on, but let's see. I don't think I have a Samsung battery right here either. But yeah, we'll just do a quick unboxing. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.